20V Cordless Grease Gun from Groz. Designed for unmatched versatility, superior performance, and maximum value. This is an ideal tool for everyday greasing and maintenance jobs. Works on 2-speed design. On low-speed mode it reaches up to 10,000 psi to clear, clogged and jammed fittings even in low-temperature conditions. On the high-speed mode, it delivers up to 85 grams or 3 ounces per minute, making it useful for applications that require high-volume greasing. The 2000 mAh, fully charged lithium-ion battery dispenses up to 12 cartridges with only 1 hour of battery charging time. Display panel shows the battery level, the grease level, and the pump speed. The unit in which grease is being dispensed comes complete with a 40-inch high-pressure hose, with coupler and spring guard, lithium-ion battery, battery charger, and shoulder strap, in an easy-to-carry blow-molded case.